You think you're ready for Holi? Think again. Everyone loves to play Holi, but सबको डर लगता है कि कहीं skin खराब ना हो जाए. So here are some pre-Holi tips for you. Apply coconut oil and massage it for 4 to 5 minutes so that it gets absorbed completely. Oil your scalp and hair generously. And keep your hair tied up. Coat it with the SPF 50 broad spectrum sunscreen which has both UVA and UVB coverage. Trim your nails and put a thick nail paint. Put 2 to 3 coats of lip balm with SPF protection. Don't wear eye lenses. Use only organic colors. And don't let the colors stay for long on your face. So keep washing it in between also. So now you're ready for Holi. And for the post-Holi tips, see the link in the description. So wishing you guys a very happy and safe Holi.